And I want to show you guys today the lucky bags or Fukubukuro that are in Japan during New Year's. Usually you can only buy these on the 1st or 2nd of the new year. They range anywhere from 500 yen to 50,000 yen or more depending on where you buy them. This one was only 1,000 yen and featured things from the SanX company. So primarily there's stuff in here that's rirakuma. The thing my daughter opened first was a little container for a rice ball, and now that little korirakuma thing is a trash can that you can keep in your room or on your desk if you want. Some nice little collection of stickers that have rirakuma and korirakuma on them. And then this is a really cute pencil case that came with it. Features sort of like a nautical or sea kind of theme, summery theme. It's a canvas, really nice lined pencil case. Something like that usually would run about 800 yen if you were to buy it on its own. So getting it in a bag of this stuff with the 1,000 yen things in it is a really good deal. So sometimes you can get, really good deal for your money with these lucky bags. That's a little elastic band that you put around books so that you can keep your place in your book, and it features a little korirakuma charm on it. And then this particular thing was like the big item of this because my daughter's super excited. It's a fan that is a really nice, well-made fan, and it's usually 2,200 yen by itself. Expensive item. So some tried and true pencils. So this is a great way to get a lot of stuff, especially if you like a character. We did get 2 of these. My other daughter got one too, and what was inside was almost exactly the same. That one has a cute little towel handkerchief. Everybody uses handkerchiefs all the time, so it's nice to have some of those character ones, especially for the kids. There was also, she had that trash can in hers. Mine had some laundry clips in it, so that was kind of cool. This is a letter set. The letter sets in Japan are so nice. Lots of paper, lots of envelopes, lots of different designs. A really good collection of things. A little tiny memo pad. That's a really cute little one with korirakuma on it, dressed like a bunny. And then some random erasers here towards the end. We have a little eraser that's rirakuma that has some cool little geometric cutout of it. So that's kind of cool. And then there's another one in here, and this is the only thing that's not rirakuma. This is like a little cat character, and my daughter was really excited because she likes him a lot, so she was able to get that. But that's kind of the overall thing. It finishes off with a little fan. But that's sort of what you can get in a lucky bag.